Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable theft protection on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, any of the series, A series, S series, M series, even X25, and you want to enable theft protection like offline lock, no network lock, and then remote control lock, then this video is going to help you through how to do this step by step. So for none of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable theft protection on your Samsung device, just go ahead and open Settings. Scroll down, locate and click on Security and Privacy or Biometrics and Privacy. Then once you click on Security and Privacy or Biometrics and Privacy, scroll down, locate and click on More Security Settings. Under More Security Settings, go ahead and click on Theft Protection. However, if you couldn't find theft protection under your More Security Settings, just come back to the main settings page. Click on the magnify search at top right, then search for theft protection. Then once you type theft, then you should see theft protection pop. Go ahead and click on the first result. Then once you find the theft protection, click on it. Now, if theft detection is disabled, offline lock is disabled, then go ahead and turn on the two features. Turn on, then turn it on again. Then once you have the two features turned on, scroll down, locate remote lock and click on it. Now once you turn on remote lock, if remote lock is disabled in this case, go ahead and turn on remote lock, and shortly after that you see your Samsung phone number pops. So you can use either of this phone number to lock your Samsung phone remotely if it is stolen or someone took your Samsung phone and ran away. Mark you, this particular feature protects your Samsung phone screen if it detects that someone took your device and then ran away. But if someone took your phone at gunpoint and either of these features could not be activated instantly, this is what you just need to do. Go to remote lock on a web browser by going to android.com/lock and then type either of your phone number on this page. Now once you type either of your phone number, that is the phone number of the Samsung device, click on lock device. Then this is going to lock your device remotely. So that is basically how to turn on theft protection on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.